Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we will be doing questions based on machine learning. I have made some questions which will cover your mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, percentile and scatter plot. This will strong your concept of machine learning. Okay, so we will be doing one by one. So the first question says that write a program to find the middle value using NumPy module. Means we have to calculate the median. So let's begin. So first of all, we will import the numpy speed. Then its main syntax is x equals to numpy dot. If I want to find the mean, I will write mean. If I want to find the median, I will write numpy dot median. Then I will be writing numpy dot median. I will change some values like this. Okay. See. Now second question. Write a program to find the average value. Means we have to calculate the mean. Then I will simply write here numpy dot mean. Okay, now I will change some values to get a different result. Let's see it work or not. See 150.53. Okay, this is your second question solution. Now third question, write a program to find the most common value using NumPy module or SciPy. I am using SciPy module, which stands for Scientific Python. Okay, so I have written here from SciPy import stat. This is the main syntax. Okay, now if I run and see the result, see mode result mode array. This is the output for your third question. Now fourth, write a program to find STD means standard deviation. We have to write a program for, simply I will be writing a numpy.std for standard deviation and I will run. See different 192.63980. And if I change the speed numbers like this, see different standard deviation. This will cover your fourth question. Now write a program to find the variance. Means we are simply writing a numpy.var. This is the main syntax. See 1302.23. This will cover your fifth question. Write a program to find the percentile. In this you can do percentile name 75. This is you can do like same import numpy speed, then x equals to percentile named 75 age print x. It will print your result. Okay, you can practice by own. Now the last question, use the scatter method to draw a scatter plot diagram. So we will be first importing the matplotlib, like import matplotlib.pyplot_splt. Now I have inserted two arrays x and y. Now the main syntax plt.scatter. I will run and see the result. I can show you, see. And if I change some values like this, okay, wait, like this, see. So these are all the solutions. You can also practice these questions. You will help to understand the machine learning concept, and these are very simple questions, so you can try and make your concept strong. Okay, now I have made some here Python parts. See, the first part is Python basics. We have done data type, syntax, commands, collection, scope, classes and objects, function, loops and maths. Okay, so loops there are two, for and while, and collections are four, list, tuple, set and dictionary. Command we used to donate by hash, and syntax is very simple. Print dot, like hello, print hello if you want to print anything. If I want to print a number, then print number in round brackets. Okay, then import maths. You can import maths to calculate the square root or anything. Okay, so now second is Python library, which are three: NumPy, Pandas and SciPy. NumPy is a Python library used for working with arrays. Pandas is used to analyze the data, and SciPy stands for Scientific Python. And the third part of Python is Python matplotlib, which is a Python plotting library, and it is free and open source, and it is used for subplot, scatter and many more methods are there. Fourth part is Python machine learning, which we are doing. In this, regression, standard deviation, mean, mode, median and variance, percentile games, and only regression part is left. We will also do that. Now fifth is Python MySQL, sixth is Python MongoDB. First we will complete Python machine learning, last part, then we will be doing these two. That will complete your Python. Okay, so this is the chart for Python. You can see it. Okay, so in this video, only this, in next video we will be doing with the last part of machine learning, then we will start MySQL. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my video, and please like and subscribe my channel.